welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Esther. Welcome to another video. As you guys can see, I'm in the kitchen, so I'm about to do some kitchen. Oh Lord, delicious. Okay, it's not that serious. I just want to do mango shakes. But guys, like recently in this house, we've been a huge fan of mango shakes. Like, we're taking it practically almost every day. So why not share with you guys what my cousin's girlfriend taught us? What are you doing? Yes.
It's not like this.
You don't do any kind of video. So this is how they're distracting me throughout this video. So we are going to be making mango shakes, and also we are making banana bread right now.
Banana bread
guys,
is almost ready.
Hey, banana bread is gonna be bomb. Like, no, you can't stay with us.
Put all this inside of the video.
This is gonna be rest.
Don't put this side.
So please, we're about to show you guys how to make mango shakes. Please, if you already like this content, please make sure you click. You're making me look dark from this side.
Don't click.
Subscribe right there, that red button. Subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and let's just get right into the video. I know you guys have missed me. How have you guys been? Bye guys. I'm just going to show you guys the ingredients, or what you need to make these mango shakes. You need mango, of course. You need your sugar, and you need your milk. Any choice of milk is fine. I went for 3 grams, but I would have preferred to go for pig milk. And yes guys, let's just start this video. This is mango, guys. It's so ripe, so please use. So I'm just going to cut all the mango like this, or I'm going to cut it from both ends, from both sides, and put everything in the container that I'm going to do to all the mangoes. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to cut out the mango from the seed and also from the back, just to, because I don't want to blend the back with the mango. I also do not want to blend the seed with the mango, so I'm just going to remove all the mango from the, just as you can see, just as I'm doing here right now. So how are you guys doing? Have you subscribed? Not yet. What are you waiting for? You watched the video to this extent, you should just subscribe. Just click the subscribe button. But anyway, so I'm still cutting the mango, so when I'm done with this, I will see you guys. Okay guys, so now I'm done so it's not really cold, so I'm going to have to dish it out and put it inside the fridge. So I'll show you guys when I'm drinking my lovely mango shakes and banana bread. So guys, this is the end result of the mango shakes. It's so nice. I said it earlier that there was no ice, so after this I just put it in the refrigerator so that it's really cold. But guys, this mango shakes is so oh my. So this is our banana bread, guys. It looks so good and it tastes even better. Forget the shape, we don't have a bread pan, we use the cake pan, but this looks and tastes so nice. If you want a recipe on how to make your own banana bread in your house, trust me, it's very easy. It's so easy to make. I would make a video and upload it. Just let me know in the comment section. So guys, I enjoyed eating this banana bread so much. Oh my goodness, can you guys see that? Can you see that? That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please try it and let me know if it tastes as good as I have said it tastes. So bye guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I will catch you in my next video, which is very soon. Bye guys.